So hi everybody. So Beslowe went ahead and they sent me this box, and inside the box contains 2 outdoor lights that you can go ahead and hang over your garage. We're going to open it up, take a look inside, see how the lights look, and then later on we'll go ahead and we'll hook them up. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So as you can see, the package is protecting the lights itself. It's really packed, really great. Let's go ahead and take off the top cover so you can see how well they're packed. So here are the lights inside, and you can see they are very well packed. They're not going to shift. This way they don't hit against each other and cause any damage. Now I'll go ahead and take them out of the box so this way you can see what they look like. So now I have both lights out of the box. The one on the left is still in the packaging, nice and secured, so this way you can see how well packaged it is even when it comes out of the box. The one on the right hand side already took out all the packaging, and this way you can see how it looks. We're going to go ahead and take a look more detailed at the one that's already unpackaged. So the one thing I really want to point out to you is that everything you need for installation is provided, making the setup process straightforward, including the light bulbs. You don't need to buy any light bulbs at all, and the assembly installation is really simple. Not that hard at all. I'll show you in a little bit when I turn the light around. But the one thing I want to point out to you, this very nice modern water ripple glass design. It's very nice, gives a nice effect when the light is on and it's illuminated. It looks really great. And if you notice on the bottom of the light, there is a cover, which is also great. This way no bugs could go ahead and fly inside your light and start flying around. This light is made high durable quality material. It is perfect for outdoors and will never fade. It will stay the color that you see it when you buy it. I turned the light around so this way you could go ahead. Here we show the bracket. Of course you have your wire nuts and you have your wires. You got to have a white wire, a black wire, and of course you'll have a ground wire. Always one thing I want to point out to you is make sure you turn off the power before you do any type of electrical installation. If you really don't understand how to do it and you feel you can't do it yourself, please reach out to an electrician. This way you have no problems at all. So it does come with an installation manual for the 2-pack outdoor wall light fixture. It does show you a diagram on how you put everything together, the nice ripple glass, and it also shows you how to put your light bulb in, and also the bottom dust cover. Let's go ahead now, take it outside, and hook it up. So I went ahead and disconnected the power. Now I went and hooked up the mounting plate. Now you want to go and grab your light, and remember, white to white, black to black, ground to ground. So the lights are up and they're looking really great. Later on when it gets dark, I'll show you how they look when they're illuminated. So here are the lights from Beslowe, lit up at nighttime. They look absolutely great. They are outstanding. Be the envy on your block. Get a pair of these lights from Beslowe. Hang them up on your garage. Thank you to Beslowe for sending me these lights. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.